welcome back to another video. Today's video is just a little different. I had a lot of wrapping to get done the last few days, so I decided to film a wrap with me. There is absolutely, besides this voiceover, no talking in the rest of the video. It's just Christmas music and me rapping. So if you have some wrapping to do, this is a great time for you to pull it out and get it done. Jam out to some great Christmas music with me and get that wrapping ready. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down. Follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone, and the song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something unreal. Baby, I'm falling under your charm. All I ever wanted, got you wrapped up in my arms, and we'll stay up all night, and the fireside is blazing bright. This Christmas will be something unreal. Darling, you saved my heart just as I thought I was falling apart. on smiling. That is what I'll do when Hollywood is firing. We've conquered problems of our fears. This Christmas will be something unreal. Darling, you saved my heart just as I thought I was falling apart. I'll be on your side forevermore. Under the mistletoe, I'll be just fine when you knock on my door. Kiss me, darling, don't be shy. It's you that I adore. Sleigh bells are ringing, I've heard them before, sending a message that Christmas is at the door. I've been waiting by the phone, and there is nothing we can't do this Christmas. Will be something unreal. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our